This is our e-cigarette puffing system. We have a sampling pump that is connected through a Y up to a syringe. This syringe is physically connected to another syringe, which is then connected to plumbing, which connects to our e-cigarette. So our e-cigarette is hot wired to the laboratory power supply, but it also has to pass through the power from this power supply is going through this relay controller, and so the relay controller will turn on when it is triggered. We have a switch for triggering the relay controller, and we can program the exact length of time down to 10 milliseconds that the e-cigarette will stay on, and we can of course set the voltage with the power supply. The basic premise here is block off this port, and when you do, the e-cigarette begins to be puffed. You conduct your puff according to the protocol regimen. At that same time, this trigger would have been clicked, and you can see that we now have current flowing through our system because electricity was going across the atomizer of our e-cigarette. Our e-cigarette has the mouthpiece directly tapped to fit this filter housing so that there's no additional dead space. The filter is roughly on this plane, and then the volatiles are passed through stainless steel tubing, Teflon tubing, a small Tygon junction, and collected into this glass syringe. The next step would be to disconnect the tubing and connect a sample tube, with this sample tube being pre-treated, Tenax pre-treated with pentafluorophenylhydrazine and sampled at roughly 80 mils per minute.